When we finish hanging duct, we need to put an end cap into the duct section. This is an 8 by 12 duct. So in order to put the end cap in, we need to cut it to the proper size, and if we measure, we see that the opening is a board thickness greater than the inside duct dimensions. So this is 9.5 by 13.5. That's the size of the insulation piece that goes in there. Now I've taken the liberty of using the grooving machine to prepare end cap material from drop-off that we've got from fabbing other duct sections. First thing I'm going to do is cut through the insulation, not cutting through the paper, just the insulation. We've taken our knives and turned a radius on the back of them so I can take that knife and press down like that and not cut through the facing. So this piece has been fabbed to 9.5 inches wide in the grooving machine. So now then I'm going to cut it to 13.5. Again, just cutting through the insulation. And then I need a stapling flat. So I come another 2 inches. And I cut the product completely through at this point. Come back to my cut that I had made before where I just cut through the insulation, turn my knife over, and then press that down to break through the final insulation. I'm going to pull this up to the edge of the table so I can lay my knife flat on the facing and just pull it through like that and fillet that piece off to finish my stapling flat. That removes that piece of insulation. I now have an end cap that fits into place. Take my stapling gun, put the staples in completely around, about 2 inches on center. Complete stapling, and now we just take our tape and tape the end cap into place. We overlap the tape about 4 inches, cut it off. Use the squeegee. Be sure we rub that tape down until we can see that scrim pattern come through. And we now have our finished duct with the end cap.